topic of presentation is How to Self-Motivate by Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins is an American author and speaker. The ability to self-motivate is the only way to achieve your goals. You don't always have your parents, teachers, or bosses to motivate you. You need to cultivate your own inner strength. I will tell you 3 basic self-motivating techniques by Tony Robbins in order to achieve your goals. Number 1, how to re-evaluate your goals. Re-evaluate your goals. At any moment in your life, the decision you make can change the course of your life. You need to, if your goal is not motivating you enough, you need to re-evaluate your goal. Number 2, create empowering beliefs. The only limitations in our lives are the ones that we put on ourselves. If you don't have enough motivation, it comes down to one reason. You don't see yourself as a self-motivating person, and you need to change your negative thoughts into positive ones. And number 3 is learn better time management strategies. Manage your time, achieve your goals, and be successful. This is the pattern to follow. If you managing your time also simply means to spend time on your priorities and not to waste your time. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, fantastic. Use your body language well, okay? Good job. Please appreciate him.